How to play games on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to play games on Snapchat, these are the methods you can follow up. So for that, you can open up your Snapchat first, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. After that, what you can do is you can select up a filter from your home screen like this. Once you do that, in the bottom you should be finding different options like For You, Favorites, Aesthetic, etc. So what you're going to do is swipe right from this section and look for the option called Games, which is a bit at the second last option like this. And when you do that, you should be finding games provided by Snapchat. For example, Dino Run, we even have the Subway Surfers and other games available. So all you need to do is tap like this and you can just go ahead and play the game on Snapchat like this. So there are different games available. It depends upon you which game you want to play, and you can play a game on Snapchat. You can also record the game if you want. So that is how you play games on Snapchat very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.